Hi there. Today we're looking at the GFL 10 NMEA 2000 fluid level adapter from Garmin Rain. What this adapter does is allows you to hook either a analog tank sensor or an analog gauge up to your NMEA network to get digital information for compatible MFDs and displays, things like that. It's got this molded end on it that hooks directly into the NMEA network. The converter is right here, a fully potted waterproof device that you don't actually have to mess with. And the other end is where you would hook your, like a tank sensor, the sending unit, or a gauge. You wire that in here, and then it transmits that information through to your NMEA network. It comes with the display itself, and it also comes with a network tee to allow you to be able to connect into your network and not have to worry about having an open spot because it gives it to you. It's a great product. It works really well, and it's very simple and easy to use and install. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.